How's it going, guys? Liam here from AltSignals. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, where it's heading, and we've got a few options here for you based on our technical analysis. So as always, if you could give us a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get into it.
AltSignals.io.
Okay, so here we are in the chart. This is the Bitcoin 8-hour chart. Now, obviously, you guys will have seen there's been a massive 30% increase. We've seen a massive spike up in price with Bitcoin, as you can see here. So, where do we think it's heading, and what are the options? So, right now, we're in this kind of limbo area where there's two key areas for us, and that's what we're looking at the moment. What we'll do is we'll start with the first key area, which is 36,000. So, two options here for a long or a short. So, the first one is if we see a retracement down to 36k, and it breaks that retracement and it starts to head back up, that would be our long. So we're waiting for this retracement to here, and then we want to see a bounce off and start to move to the upside, and that would be our long position. The other option is if we do see a retracement down to 36,000 and then it breaks 36,000, what we want to wait for is a retracement back to a 36k and essentially a retest. So this is very important in this sense, because if we see a retest here, then this is where we would put our short position, and we would put our targets around 30,000, and we would have our stop losses above 36k. So there's your short and long positions on 36k. If we see a continuation now and we see it break 40k again, and it starts to make its way up, what we're going to be looking and targeting is 41k. So essentially, once we pass or break 31k, we want to see a retracement back to 41k, and then we will be looking at placing our long positions below the structure that has already been put in play here. So those are the three options. Where do we think it's heading? Well, right now there has been probably a bit of a boost because of the talk with Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood. We did see a move to the upside based on that, and since then we've seen a continuation. So we could expect to, in the next week or so, be trading above 40k, and there'd be no reason why that's not the case. But again, depending on how the market reacts and based on our technical analysis, those are the three areas that we're looking for to get into this trade. So again, this is do your own research. This is just our analysis and what we'll be doing with this trade and when we'll be jumping in. If you want to get involved, or you want to know more about us and you want to start getting involved with the trades that we do, then you can visit AltSignals.io, and you can purchase the indicator that we offer, as well as a signals package for Binance as well. And that's AltSignals.io. We'll leave the link in the description below. That's it for today, guys. So as always, if you could leave us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you can watch our previous video here now, and we'll catch you in the next one.